Hello friends, in this video we have studied that the subject of the COM. COM is nothing but the kinematic of machine, that is the kinematic of machine we have studied, that is the in which there are, that is a COM is the subject of the theory of machine. First, that is the this name will be changed, that is the kinematic of machine. Okay, then what is the machine? What is the machine? Machine is used to transmit the power from one shaft to the another shaft and to another shaft, and this power is used for the useful work. This is called as the machine. What is a machine? Machine is a device which receive the energy. Means machine is a device. It is a device which receive the energy, and this energy will transmit from one shaft to another to perform the useful work. Okay, then what is the machine? It is a device which receive the energy, and this energy will transmit from one shaft to the another to performs the useful work. It is the definition of the machine, in which the machine is the number of link will be connected to each other, so that this machine will be transmit easily power from one shaft to the another shaft. Then what is the link? Then first will be the what is the kinematic link or element. Machine is nothing but the combination of the kinematic link or element. Then what is the kinematic element or kinematic link? Which moves the relative to the which moves relative to some other part. It is known as kinematic link or element. What is the kinematic link or the element? Means in machine it is the combination of the various kinematic links, so that the power will be transmitted from the one shaft to the another shaft. Then what is the kinematic links? Which moves the relative to the some other parts. It is the link which is the relative motion will be transmitted. It is known as the kinematic link. Okay, this is the kinematic link or element. Then what is the resistant body? The machine will be the resistance body. Then what is the resistance body? A link or element need not to be deformation, need not to be rigid body, it must be resistance body. It must be resistant body. A body is said to be a resistant body if it is capable of if it is capable of transmitting the required forces with negligible deformation. This is known as the resistance body. A link or the element need not to be a rigid body. It must be resistance. A body, then what is the resistance body? A body is said to be the resistance body if it is capable of transmitting the required forces with negligible forces. Means the required forces with the transmit from one part to the another part with negligible deformation. This body is called as the resistance body. Okay, then the link should be two characteristics. First will be it should have a relative motion. First characteristic, it should have relative motion. And second, it must be resistance body. It must be a resistant body. Okay, first what is the machine? Machine is a device which receive the energy, and this energy will transmit from one shaft to the another to perform the useful work. Then these machine it is a combination of the various link. Then what is the link? Kinematic link, which move the relative to the some other part, is known as the kinematic link or the element. Then this kinematic link must be resistance body. Then what is the resistance body? The resistance body, a link or the element, need not to be rigid body. It must be resistance body. A body is said to be resistance body if it is capable of transmitting the required forces with negligible deformation. This body is called as the resistance body. The link should have the two characteristics. There will be the two characteristics. First will be the it should have the relative motion, and second will be the it must be a resistant body. This is the kinematic link. Then next topic will be the types of link. First, there are the three types. First will be the rigid link, second will be the flexible link, and third will be the fluid link. Then we have seen that the one by one. First will be the rigid link. Then what is the rigid link? A rigid link is one which does not undergo any deformation while transmitting the motion. What is the rigid link? Rigid link is the one which does not undergo any deformation while transmitting the motion. When the transmit the motion, it does not any deformation. This link is called as the rigid link. For example, reciprocating of the steam engine or and deformation of connecting rod. Example is the deformation of connecting rod. Okay, these are the rigid link. The next will be the flexible link. Flexible link is a link is one which partly differ in a manner not to affect the transmission of motion, not the affect transmission of motion. Okay, when the force will be applied on the link, this link will be partly deformed, but this partly deformation is not affect to the transmission of the motion. This link is called as the flexible link. For example, belt, rope and chain. These example are the flexible link. Means when the force will be applied on these links, this link partly deform, but this partly deform is not affect to transmit the transmission of the motion. This is called as the flexible link. For example, belt, rope and chain. And then next will be the fluid link. A fluid link is one which is formed by having a fluid in a receptacle and motion transmitted through the fluid by pressure and compression only. What is a fluid link? A fluid link is one which is formed by having the fluid, means this motion will be transmitted by using the fluid, and motion transmitted through the fluid by using the pressure and compression only. For example, hydraulic jack. For example, hydraulic jack or press. These are the fluid link. There are the three types of the fluid. There are the three types of the link. First will be the rigid link, flexible link and fluid link. And what is the rigid link? A rigid link, one which does not undergo any deformation while transmitting the motion. For example, connecting rod. Then second will be the flexible link. A link which is partly deformed in a manner it is not affect to the transmitting of the motion. For example, belt or rope or chain. Fluid link,